I can't stay away from this place. My intentions, which is a very good tip for any rockhound, when you find a pocket, make sure never to leave the scraps that fall out behind. So I came here trying to pick up my scraps and I poked out a few little crystals. Here's a cluster that came out of that vug. I've been removing that quartz vein, which when I've been doing that, I've been sloppy at times and all the crystals will fall to the bottom. See, right there where I removed a layer of the quartz vein, it exposed the pocket. If I don't precisely remove each crystal, they'll fall to the bottom, where I have a tarp right below the picture line. We're going to bucket that up and look through it later. If you remember, over to the left, last time we ended with that chlorite mud. Well, there's crystals under that too, I found out after taking it home and spraying it off. I like this type of coating. It's pretty cool. So it got me intrigued to want to see what's going on as that vein progresses upward. It has some small vugs still, and I see a new mineral showing up. Molybdenite. Molybdenite, with a little bit of research, seems to be a pretty progressive mineral. I got excited about it because it was on a few of my clusters, and I truly love collecting any kind of mineral specimen that has multiple minerals on the outside or included. That's my style. This was kind of cool. When I was breaking away that quartz vein, you can see how it's literally a tube of quartz running through that mountain. Perfect example of hydrothermal. Also, you can see there's still a lot of roots going under there, so there's gonna be more crystals. Under there, and then above it, you can even still see a pocket. Yep, there's lots to be collected. And underneath that's the compressed vein, where if I take my time, or that subscriber I'm telling you about takes their time, we'll find some really neat compressed specimens also. As easy as it is to get distracted, I had a goal in mind today, and that was to clean out all the concentrates that fell below the vein and the pockets. Successfully completing that, I also found a neat plate down there. It has a combination of fluorite, calcite, and quartz. Also, it got better. There was a new section of roots protruding under the vein. Like I said before, gravity chooses the path, and the big ones usually are down low. So here's the concentrates that I brought home. Just the absolute plethora of minerals. As you can see in the center, you can see the cubes of fluorite, calcite, and quartz crystals. They were all covered by that pocket clay. I just can't get over all the variations of color and facing that's going on some of these micros, especially the fluorite. Just keeps me wanting to come back. Now it's to the easy part. After today's cleaning, and leaving it hard rock and just clay and mud at the bottom, I can't wait for the next rain to expose which direction we will go. Thank you for watching.